Guess what, everyone? I'm starting school today.
I'm so excited.
When I was 1, I said goo goo gaga. I just started walking. And when I was 2, I learned how to poo. I kept on talking and talking. And when I was 3, I wanted to be the captain of my ship.
Ahoy there, matey.
And when I was 4, I learned so much more, like sharing and caring and kips. But now I am 5, I feel so alive, 'cause I'm starting school today.
Yes!
I wakey wakey and eat my brekkie, and I brush on my teeth. Then I put on my clothes, all nice and warm. Brush on my hair. My beautiful mama has made my lunch. I'll learn to do that myself soon. Then on with my bag and into my shoes. I'm happy to walkie. Now I am 5, I feel so alive, 'cause I'm starting school